This is the second video about compound inequalities. And what we're going to do in this video is backwards from what we did in the first video. In this video, we're going to start with the graph and then write the compound inequality. Alright, so we have the graph of all our solutions here, and we're going to write the compound inequality for this graph. Okay. Alright, so first let's take a look at our graph. What does this show us? Alright, this shows us that -3 right here is a solution. It's a closed dot right here. And then all these numbers here are solutions. And then it goes all the way up to 5, but then it doesn't include 5. 5 is an open circle here. Right? This is what a typical AND statement looks like. Right? So right away I'm going to write down the word AND. And let's see, what do all these solutions have in common? Well, all these solutions are bigger or equal to -3, and they're also smaller than 5. Right? Bigger and equal to -3, and also smaller than 5. Right? So our solution, or our compound inequality statement would be this: x is greater than or equal to -3, and x is less than 5. Right? It's all the numbers that are bigger or equal to -3 and also smaller than 5. That's what all these numbers have in common. All right? Number 2, this is what a typical OR statement looks like. Right? The numbers are either over here or they're over here. Right? The numbers are either on in this area or they're in this area right here. Right? Let's write our OR. So this is we can say that x is on this side they're smaller than -5. Right? It doesn't include -5. Right? So x is less than -5. Or, on this side, x is greater than or equal to 2. Right? Because it's a closed circle, so it includes 2. Right? There's our compound inequality. X is less than -5, or x is greater than or equal to 2. Alright, please pause the video and write down the compound inequality for this graph. Alright, you should have gotten x is greater than or equal to -8, and x is less than -3. Right? All of these numbers here are bigger or equal to -8 and also smaller than -3. That's what every single number in this region has in common. Number 4, right? Same thing. I want you to pause right now and write the compound inequality for this graph. All right, and you should have gotten an OR statement here. All right, the numbers are either less than -8 or they're bigger than -2. Right? The numbers are either on this side or they're over here on this side. Okay, and that's it.